battle of the Revolutionary War was Yorktown. Yorktown was the final battle of the Revolutionary War. Ollie, I'm not going to ask you again. Knock it off!
Thanks for letting me help, Mom. I can always go to the next Dave Clark 5 reunion concert.
I'm sorry, but these have to go out so we can get everyone's suggestion for a town motto.
How about Mayfield, gateway to Bellport? There's your motto.
Dark stuffing.
The colonies finally won their hard-fought independence. Finally, the colonies won their independence. Hard-fought. That's it, I've had it with you.
It's Space Ninja! Surrender, Earth Slime!
You ruined my report. Say your prayers.
You paid for your insolence! Try to get by these nunchucks, ignorant swine! Dad, help! Oh, Dad! Dad, help!
Oh, just listen to that. All those boys do lately is fight.
Mom, when you have a 15-year-old and a 10-year-old living together, it's only natural they fight. They'll work it out, believe me. See?
I can't take it anymore. I'm moving into the basement.
What now?
Space nitwit jumped me and spilled soda all over my whole term paper. Oh, Dad, I'm tired of him bugging me. Last night he tried to dip my fingers in warm water when I was sleeping.
And he told me that the day before you told him that there was buried treasure at the sewage plant.
Well, I had to get my homework done, okay?
And I had to boil his clothes.
Too bad he wasn't in them. I'm going to the basement.
You know, the boys' fighting's not going to work itself out. You're going to have to do something.
You're right. I better look a little harder for that gas leak in the basement.
Hey, Lump. Well, you ready for lunch, Pete?
Lunch again? You guys spend more time with each other than Lassie and Timmy. Heck, I gotta take a Valium just to call my sister on the phone.
Yeah, well, it looks like that's how Kip and Ollie are going to wind up.
Why? What's the problem?
Oh, nothing. They just hate each other, that's all.
Hey, well, that little one is annoying. The other day, he ran after me with some sticks.
Why can't they be like we were? Remember, you always wanted to hang around with me.
No, Mom made me. You were a pest. You're always hanging around saying, golly, Wally, can I goof around with the big guys?
Yeah, you were always horning your way in.
Well, this puts an entirely different slant on my childhood.
Don't take it so hard, Beav. We always managed to have a good time together. You did a great job of guarding our coats while we were playing ball.
Well, maybe that's what my boys need. For me to make them spend some time together.
Hey, why aggravate yourself? Send him to a shrink. At least it'll get him out of the house.
Now, come on, Beav. I got reservations at the King's Inn.
That's my favorite restaurant. I mean, it's today's field day.
Sounds good to me.
Come on, let's get...
I'm real good friends with the chef, and everybody there knows me.
Good. We'll say hi.
Stupid cleavers.
Oh, that! Oh, just you wrecked that box. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Hi, Ollie. I'll call you back.
Dad, Kip locked me in the closet!
Dad, I'm as shocked as you that he was in there.
Oh, you lying dog lips! I'm gonna get you!
Get off me.
Why don't you go downstairs and, get your grandmother to give you a cookie?
Oh, but Dad, you said we couldn't have any more sweets.
Then leave us alone.
Dad, he's been bothering me all afternoon. I was on the phone, and he kept making that stupid gorilla face.
There are better reasons than that for locking your brother in the closet.
He's such a useless infant. His whole life is playing with dolls and pretending he's a ninja warrior. Ah, jeez.
They're not dolls, they're action figures.
Oliver, downstairs. I don't care what the reason is. I'm not going to put up with you and your brother fighting anymore.
Oh, Dad, you don't understand. It's like his mission in life is to bug me.
The only reason he does that is so that you'll pay some attention to him.
I pay attention to him. Like if he was on fire. I put out the flame.
Then you better bring your fire extinguisher on Saturday, because you and your brother are going to spend the entire day together.
Oh, Dad. Couldn't we at least wait till it's winter when the days are shorter?
Saturday.
Okay, I guess I could make it through one day, if I have to.
You have to. By the way, who do you think taught him the gorilla face?
Kip, it's Saturday.
Oh, yeah. I love that part when the Beast Woman punished her kids because they wouldn't eat the missionary. Remember?
Yeah. My favorite part was when he started to make those throw-up noises from the balcony, and everyone downstairs started changing seats.
That was great.
And you know what else?
What?
You're it.
Your stomach feeling any better?
Yeah. I never should have eaten all those donuts.
It's hard to say no when they give you that second dozen for free.
Yeah.
Hey, nice shot.
Thanks. Hey, after this, let's go switch signs in the bathroom doors.
I love it when the girls run out screaming. Then we go hit some balls over at the batting range.
No, let's go miniature golfing.
Hey, got the whole afternoon. We'll do both. Score! Hi, Kip. Hey, guys. Brenda. Hey, foosball. Great. Want to play teams? Sure. 7 balls left. Kip, can I borrow your history notes? Sure. As soon as I copy them from Linda.
Well, what about miniature golf?
Later, okay?
Hey, Kip, let's go to the pet shop. In 10 minutes, they feed a two-headed fish.
Not now, Ollie, okay?
But it's no fun if you don't get there on time to see which head gets the food.
Then you go. See you later, okay?
What a creepy brother. Ditching me like that. This is what I'm gonna do to him. This is Kip's face. And this is Kip's stomach. And this is Kip's puny brain. Hey guys, what you doing? Cruising a place for less slugs and empty pop bottles. Yeah, we made $2 in 5 minutes. Who needs college? Hey, Ollie, I thought you were going to hang out with brother today. Hey, he's got to learn to be independent sometime. Hey, you guys want the Twinkies? Sure. Oh, wait a minute. There's 2 of them and there's 3 of us. How are we going to split them? Give them to me. Split it in half. Give half to Ollie. All right, now you've got half, Ollie's got half, I've got half, and everybody's happy. Hey, you're right. You really don't need college. Hey, let's eat up there. I don't know. Come on, Ollie. Yeah. There's no one here to catch us. Come on, guys. This is rad. Yeah, it's cool. What are you doing? You might start or something. Fat chance. Start one of these babies, You gotta pull all kinds of levers. I don't think so. This lever right here says start. Go ahead, pull it. Nothing will happen. I better not. Hey, believe me, I know. I handled the Twinkie problem, didn't I? Well, okay. Hey guys, wait for me! Kip, you'll never believe what happened.
Where have you been? You could have gotten me in trouble with Dad.
But Kip, I got
Forget
it.
it. Just make sure to tell Dad we had a great time.
Yeah, real great. How could you wipe out a whole house? I guess I just hid it in the right place. You should know better than to listen to Duffy. He's the one who told you if you bit a worm in half, you'd win $1 million. I can still taste it. What am I going to tell my dad? You better tell him the truth. Parents always find out. And if you tell him first, you get extra points. The truth. I never would have thought of that. But don't tell him until he's in a really good mood. He hasn't been in a really good mood since he found out they were making a second Exorcist movie. Well, then we'll have to think of a way to put him in a good mood.
Well, here's the perfect motto. Mayfield, where Al lives.
Who said that?
Al Fletcher.
I guess you don't want to hear the one from his brother Ralph.
Come on, let's go. I hope this is gonna work. Excuse me, Pony Express for Mr. Theodore J. Cleaver?
I'm Mr. Cleaver.
I have a singing telegram especially for you. His name is Theodore, but he goes by the Beaver. Nobody else in this world could ever be sweeter. What a dad, what a pal, what a guy. He's the best buddy a father could be. I'm so lucky he ended up choosing me. What a dad, what a pal, what a guy. Scoop up, well, what the heck? He'll just smile and hug your little neck. Signed, Oliver Cleaver.
Well, thank you very much. That was great.
My life is over.
How about another verse?
His name
Janet, Shorty, this is important.
What happened, Eddie?
Some goon took my bulldozer and smashed that house I was building to smithereens. And parts of that place were almost up to code. Eddie, why would anybody want to knock down your house? You may not believe this, but I do have enemies.
I'm sorry, Eddie.
Save your sympathy. What I need is cash.
You can have what's in my piggy bank.
You have a good heart. Now beat it. Boy, when I get these guys, I'm gonna nail them to the wall.
No, Eddie, even you don't deserve this.
Yeah, this is pretty low. Have you called the police? Yeah, they're swarming all over the place now. But if it was up to me, I'd throw a rope over the nearest branch and string them up.
you doing?
I'm running away.
Why?
You know what happened at Mr. Haskell's house?
Oh, yeah. Bulldozer creamed it to bits.
Guess who was driving it?
Take a heavy sweater. How could you do something so dumb? Why did you do it?
When you ditched me for your friends?
I didn't ditch you. Wait a second. Is that why you knocked down that house? Dad's right. You'll do anything for attention.
You don't know anything.
I know you deserve whatever you get for pulling a stunt like that.
I didn't do it on purpose. It was an accident. Now I'm gonna get lynched and everybody will hate me.
Look, maybe since I kind of got you into this whole mess, I can kind of get you out of it.
Isn't it a little late for you to start acting like you care about what happens to me?
Holly, I care about you. It's just that... Look, before we split up at the arcade, I thought we were having a lot of fun today.
Really?
Yeah. I wouldn't mind doing it again sometime.
Well, that's easy to say now that I'm leaving on the next train to Africa.
You're not going anywhere. Just give me a chance. I'll come up with something.
I have a 2:30 appointment with that old battle-axe Gwen. You want to take it for me?
Forget it, Lumpy. You've got to learn how to get along with your mother sometime.
Hey, you ready, Beav? I thought we'd eat at the Rib Rack today.
I love that place.
All right, I'll let you loan me the money to rebuild my house, but I'm not going to insult you by paying interest.
Eddie, did that house fall on your head or something?
Hey, I got a message to meet you here. You are going to loan me the money to fix my house, right?
Yeah, when I learn to surf.
Everyone's here. Good. We can start this meeting now.
Kip, you called this meeting? Why?
To discuss an extremely important and delicate matter. Mr. Haskell, Oliver demolished your house.
Oliver? Who hired you? Was it the Banzini brothers?
Nobody hired him, Mr. Haskell. A little goof let one of his dumb friends talk him into it.
Get the rope. And you. You're going to pay for what this kid did.
Calm down, Eddie. He'll be punished.
Dad, it was an accident, honest.
Killer's pets.
I'm telling you, red-headed kids are always evil. They got that extra hormone.
Oliver, didn't anybody ever tell you how dangerous construction sites are?
No. Only abandoned refrigerators.
What were you thinking of to pull a stunt like this?
Obviously, Daddy wasn't thinking at all. And what's worse is he didn't even have the guts to admit it to you.
You stayed up all night and this is the best you could come up with?
A bulldozer is not a toy. Something terrible could have happened.
Yeah. You could have had an accident.
He should have known better, right? Well, he didn't. And who knows what the little monster is capable of doing next? What if he's on his way home from a football game in his father's car, and one of his friends talks him into taking a detour right into the middle of Shadow Lake?
Yeah, I remember that.
I told you you shouldn't take that shortcut.
Eddie made me.
You're still a chump. Who told you about that?
Grandma. She had a whole bunch of stories. Like the one about the time when you guys
That's enough. I can't believe that you just stood there and watched your brother knock down a house.
Actually, I didn't, you see. At the time, I was, at the pizza parlor with a bunch of guys.
But you promised me you'd spend the day with your brother.
I know. I blew it. Maybe a little like the time when you were supposed to stay home so they could deliver the new couch, but instead you went out to the movies with a bunch of guys, and then...
I know. And it rained, and the couch was ruined.
I just wish things didn't happen the way they did. So me and Ollie were hanging out. Boy, sure had a good time.
I'm moved.
We went bowling, we saw movies. Kip even taught me how to eat a donut while I was standing on my head.
See? I still think a shrink is the best bet.
These kids are doing fine on their own. They just needed to be reminded that they care about each other.
I hate to ruin this touching rerun of Father Knows Nothing, but I have a more efficient way of handling this. String them up! everybody. Only 50 cents.
Hey, I've got the motto. Mayfield. We build it together.
Tomorrow at 6:05 Eastern, when Wally's old nanny comes to lend a hand, Mary Ellen would like to give her a little advice. It's the comedy hit of the season, the new Leave It to Beaver. Now, stay tuned for more mat-pounding action on World Championship Wrestling next.